Good morning, good morning. I'm Channel GGPE from Project Terry. We will tackle all about one of the games of Season 9, which is Seekers of Tokane. So all you need to do is to register first your um, account, or you need to create account on Seeker of Tokane. Then also you need to download the app into the Epic Launcher game. So if you have a um, account in Seeker of Tokane, all you need to do is to um, all you need to do is to um, unlock the PvP, and also you need to hunt the eggs and also the crystals, because the crystal is all you need to do is to hatch the eggs. So I will see I will to um, prove, and I will to see the mechanics of the games. As you can see, this is the um, registered account, or all you need to the available wallet to open the SOT. So all you need to do is if you have a wallet, so this or email or Discord. So I will do this a Phantom wallet. So, so I am here in the dungeon of the Seeker of Tokane. So I have a Prime Nephis. If you know it, if the your Nephis is Prime, they have a P from their name, side of the name, and have a non-prime nifty if they have no name or P besides in the name. Before I go to the dungeon, I will explain the PvP rank. The PvP rank is a battle with your enemy. So the earnings of this is Tokane or Oka. Oka will be converted to the into Auroric token, and also the token it is. Tokane is like it is 10%, so this is the small conversion of Aurori token. But if you have a prime Nephis to earn Oka, because they have a 90% allocation to convert into the Aurori. So it is the biggest conversion of to get a 12 Aurori or any tokens of Aurori. So if you want to unlock this PvP rank, all you need to do is to get the dungeon of 1-1 dungeon. So I will introduce you how to play into the PvE. So this is the adventure. This is not a PvP rank. If you want to set up your NFTs, all you need to do is to click this, then remove, then select NFT. So choose NFT if you what can you get into the adventure. So I need a um book screen like this, this, then this. So let's go. So I want to introduce, or I want to show this adventure. So click this confirm, then waiting the loading. Just 1 minute loading. So as you can see, this is the crystals. All you need to drop it. Um, go. Also, let's go. So this is the battlefield. It is like into the PvP. So all you need to memorize the skills of the enemy for the NFTs also, and also your cards of your prime NFTs. So last two, then last two. If you want to um, you want to got a more energies, all you need to do is to just click this your first skill. Then number 7 is your the um, signature skills of your Nifty. This oh is that it? But then into the battle, they have a switch Nifties. So like this swap, then swap. But in the first round, they have no move in your Nifties, but in the second round they have a move. So energy like this. So dodge. All you need tips if you want to buy NFTs, all you need to do is have a skill dodge because this your strategies if you have a dodging type. It's hard to predict if you dodge. So that's it. And also if you want to go to the next level or dungeon, you need to find the portal. All you need to do is to click this to find the exit portal. So now, so oh, this is the portal of the next level. So if you want to go to the next level, you need to click the confirm destination. If you want to go home, click this and click the confirm destination. So I want to go home because I explained what is the adventure into the Secret of Tokanet. So go back, then skip. So I got Black Choy. So this is the basic of um, in Secret of Tokanet. So if you have a if you like the video, you want to like, retweet, and also comment into my Twitter. So thank you.